Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at your home. Today we are going to learn about the ninth chapter of your general knowledge book. The name of the chapter is Our Solar System. One thing I must tell you, students, that this chapter is going to be one of the most interesting chapter of your GK book. So first, we are going to discuss about what is solar system. So, the solar system consists of sun and all other objects that travels around the sun. These objects includes planet, piece of rocks, natural satellites, comets, dust and gases. Do you know, children, what are comets? Comets are actually broken stars. Solar system formed around 4.6 billion years ago. Now we are trying to know what is sun. Sun is the main object in the solar system. The sun is almost a perfect sphere. Over 1 million Earth could fit inside the sun. Isn't it interesting, children? Now we are going to discuss about the 8 planets of the solar system. The first picture you can see the first planet of solar system is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. The next picture is of planet Venus. This is the second planet of solar system and it has a solid rocky surface. One more thing I want to share with you, that Venus is the brightest thing in the night sky except Moon. The third planet of solar system is planet Earth. Earth is the only planet that has life as far as we know for now. 70% Earth's surface is covered with water. The other name of our Earth is blue planet. Now you can see the fourth picture. The fourth planet of solar system is Mars. Mars is often known as a red planet due to its reddish look. It is the second smallest planet of our solar system. The fifth picture is of planet Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. This is the third brightest object in the night sky after Moon and Venus. The sixth picture is of Saturn. This is the second largest planet in solar system. Saturn has 62 moons and very bright ring. Next picture is of planet Uranus. It has 5 big moons and 13 planetary rings. Last but not the least, Neptune. Neptune was the last planet to be discovered. It is the most distant planet and Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system. Hope you understand about the solar system. Now we are going to discuss about the exercise of your book. Here is your exercise book. You can see some of the riddles here. The first riddle is, I am the smallest planet and closest to the sun. Do you know what is the answer? Yes, the answer is Mercury. The second one, I am the second planet and known as the morning star or the evening star. The answer is Venus. Third one, I am the third planet from the sun and also known as the blue planet. This is where humans live. Yes, the answer will be our very own Earth. Fourth riddle is, I am the fourth planet from the sun and known as the red planet. We all know Mars is called the red planet. Fifth one, I am the largest planet of the solar family. I have highest number of moons. The answer is Jupiter. Sixth one, I am the sixth planet from the sun and I have many rings. The answer is Saturn. Seventh one, I am the third largest planet. I have 27 moons. Can you guess the answer, students? Yes, you are absolutely right. The answer is Uranus. And the eighth riddle, I am the eighth planet from the sun and the farthest planet. Yes, the answer is Neptune. So, hope you understand the chapter. You have already got your classworks and homeworks. Go through your classworks and homeworks. Stay indoors and stay safe.